Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel. AI, it is nothing but the machine learning aspiring engineers, deep learning aspiring engineers, and generative AI. Few of my colleagues or our channel members has asked how to create a portfolio website to showcase our skill. This video is totally dedicated for them. So if you can see my screen, you can see alexdatasolution.com. So here I have given the my introduction and what is I am focusing: efficiency, process automation, data driven decision making, root cause analysis, market insights and pattern recognition, service quality enhancement. All these things we are doing with the help of the data science. That is nothing but the machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. And you can click and you can download the CV. I'm clicking, you can see it is opening on other window and it has downloaded the resume. So the skill section, whatever the things I have learned and practiced and executed, I have put it, and the projects also I have written over here. It is one page resume. You can see it on the screen. The relevant skill only I had it, even though I have 15 years of experience. The last 4 years I have been into the machine learning, deep learning, Python, and generative AI. So I can say there is a 3K followers in the LinkedIn, and here is my mobile number, Gmail account, LinkedIn, and GitHub. And the project highlights I am writing telecom churn and wound images classification and RAG chartboard. And this much I have written so that it will be useful for the employer, because who is looking onto the data science. The rest of the project I didn't put it. And next with a headshot and the skill I have given over here. The top 10 I have written so that everything it will be covered, and experience the relevant and overall I have mentioned over here. You can see the testimonial. I have worked for an Upwork, and what would the testimony, the reviews they have written, I have copy pasted over here. And the recent projects which I have done, I have put it over here by YouTube videos links. And generative AI projects, deep learning with LSTM and RNN, you can see it on the screen. Deep learning with CNN, you can see it on the screen. Machine learning classification and machine learning regression. What is the most important thing is, by doing this one, what you are achieving here: employee promotion prediction, enhancing HR decision making, and career development planning. So how you are helping, or how you are meeting the KPI, telecom churn prediction, telecom customer churn prediction, identify the customer at the risk of churn, enabling the target retention strategy, and reducing the customer attrition. This is wine quality classification. You can see improving the quality control processes. And visa approval classification, we need to see enhancing the decision making efficiency and accuracy. At the end of the day, any one of the project in the ML classification regression, deep learning with CNN, deep learning with RNN and LSTM, and generative AI, it has to be mapped to the KPI. The KPI is key performance indicator. This is a call to action. This is the LinkedIn, this is the YouTube, and this is my mobile number. This is a Kaggle account, this is Upwork account, and this is the email communication. So these are the things I have given onto my portfolio website. And if you can improve as per your interest. So we have given this header. If you can click, it will try to enter into the corresponding section. Now, the main question is so many people are impressed with this portfolio, how we try to make this one by our own. There is a two methods I have identified. The first one is called as a payment method. The second one will be the free method. Now let us go to the payment method. In the payment method, you need to understand it is a combination of a domain, hosting, and WordPress. In the domain, you are getting the URL with extension of a .in, .com or .net associated with a public IP, and DNS will take to resolve this name to IP. And hosting, they are providing some storage and space so where you can put your web pages, and the WordPress is the one where it will try to create or design your web pages. In this one Elementor I am using. So these three are the major in order to develop the website. It could be portfolio, it could be a blogging, it could be content writing. So whatever it is, e-commerce, a website can be differed, but these are the three fundamental things. Now let us move some of the web. I have bought from the webspace.kit. You can see it. And if you can scroll down, there is called a starter, basic, premium, and e-commerce. So I have chosen the premium. So in this one, I have selected for an yearly so that this whatever I have modifying, it will be there. So I am not chosen for a monthly. I have selected for an yearly. And the second one you can see, this is called GoDaddy. You can see the plan basic, standard, premium, and e-commerce. So based on your interest, monthly or yearly, you can select. And the third one will be the interserver.net. You can see it over here. And the next one you can see Hostinger. So you can see the plans over here, or you can scroll down and you can see the pick a plan. See, pick your perfect plan. So based on this one, it will be going to be charged. So at the end of all these ones, either GoDaddy or WebSpace or what you are seeing over here is Inter server or Hostinger. So whatever whoever is providing these services that are nothing but the domain hosting and WordPress, they try to take some money for an yearly or a monthly. So this is the step number one. And after you are paying, so you try to get the credential, and based on that one, you can move it on. The second thing is a free version. You can see it on the screen. You can see on the screen how to create a portfolio website using the github.io. You can see by using the github.io also you can create the website. There is a lot of YouTube videos, it has been there. You can see it and you can do your own website. For that one you need to have a GitHub account. It is a free, you can create it. By watching this one, maybe you try to create it. Now tell me who are all the people by using this one they have created. Now I am going on to the LinkedIn. You can see he is the Biswajit Jaina. You can see his portfolio. I click and it is landing over here. This is github.io. So he has created his own portfolio. You can see it on this screen. It is also very nice, but is a free version. You can download the resume, email, GitHub, LinkedIn, and call. And whatever the certificates he has been placed, and whatever the projects he has been done, and whatever the technical skill, and about all these things, it has been shown very well. Now let us see one more example. This is Jitesh. You can see view my portfolio. You can go over here and you can see his portfolio. So this is about and his skill set he has written over here, and the resume, education, projects, all these things is very well articulated or designed by using the github.io. For that one, you can refer portfolio website using the github.io. There is a lot of videos it has been there. You can spend a couple of an hours such a way that your portfolio website is also clear and it will looks very great when you are presenting to the employer. and you can keep on updating the relevant or irrelevant project, and you can showcase. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and we try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.